Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to change the theme on chess.com using your computer. Now, if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for chess.com. You can see that here on my search bar. And now, just go ahead and log in your account. And if you don't have one, just go ahead and create one by clicking the sign up button. So now let's get started. So first of all, you want to click on the settings option here at the lower part of your screen and click on all settings. And now you want to click on themes. So now as you can see, the theme of my website or the page is on food, right? This one. So if you want to change that, just go ahead and choose any of this. So for example, I'm just gonna choose marble. So just go ahead and click on that. And here, as you can see, that the theme of my website or the page is on marble. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you. And if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.